Today I'm going to prepare lemon amberjack on papillote with you. This type of cooking is one that I love, especially because all the flavors are sealed together inside the parchment. And also because you can make this recipe even if you're on a diet, so prepare it with me. By the way, it goes without saying that you can make the same recipe with snapper too. With sea bass, it's colorful. Let's get started. So, after removing the scales, gutting it and cleaning it well. Besides rinsing it, I dry the amberjack inside and out by patting it with paper towels. Please, as I always tell you, have the fishmonger do this operation. I always have him or her do it because they're really good at it. Maybe I offer them a coffee, and in 2 seconds they remove the guts, the scales, and clean it really well. You know what I do at home? I just open the belly a little and remove any blood residue that they either didn't take out or just didn't see. Maybe because they were in a hurry. But I guarantee you that in 2 minutes they do what would take us 10 or 15 minutes, but with the advantage of not making a mess. Then on the Lexi, the little card of aluminum foil. I remind you that aluminum should not come into contact with acidic foods like lemon or tomatoes. I arrange the sheets of parchment paper, put the amberjack on top, and at the level of the gills I place a clove of garlic cut in half. Right here, you see, not in the belly. In the belly, I put a pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, a few slices of lemon, and a drizzle of oil. If you want a nice sprig of rosemary on top of the fish, I add a few more slices of lemon, another sprig of rosemary, and a drizzle of oil. Sheets that I swear. I put it in the oven, and in a preheated oven I cook it at 180 degrees with the fan on for 30 minutes or at 190 in static mode while the fish cooks. In the mini blender cup I put some extra virgin olive oil and the lemon juice, which I strain with a sieve. Please, if I can give you some advice, when you go grocery shopping, always buy a few extra lemons, because if you get a lemon like this one, you'll need 3 instead of 1. Now I add a little bit of garlic, the parsley, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, then I blend it. And set it aside. And here it is. Now I clean it, look how the skin comes off, I plate it. On top, I add a bit of sauce I made earlier, and I'll taste it with you. Oh my, did you see that? It melts in your mouth. Make it and let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me tell you something, if you're on a diet, but even if you're not, if you are on a diet, this recipe will drive you crazy. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave you, I want to take the opportunity to wish you a good meal.